Hello dear members, in this video I am going to clear all your doubts about tomorrow's workshop. So in tomorrow's workshop we are not going to do only face yoga. First of all, we are going to do home facial, in which you will be using all the ingredients available in your kitchen. Ingredient list you will get in the group once you enroll for the workshop. Yes, we are going to do some massages for face lifting, for puffiness, but for that you don't need any tool. You need only your hands, of course, and spoons. Tomorrow we are going to do spoon massage. This is something new which we regularly don't do in the classes, so I thought let's add in the workshop. The time duration for this workshop, we have given 2 hours, but don't worry, it will not take 2 hours. Maximum 1 hour, plus if you will have question answers, will take 15 to 20 minutes for that. Now many of you are saying that we are not available, will you provide recording? Definitely I'm going to record the session, and if you are not available on given timings, you can definitely practice with the recording. And this is not going to be like only face yoga practices. We are going to do something different in tomorrow's class. I'll be giving ingredient list once you enroll in the WhatsApp group. Plus tomorrow you have to keep a detox drink, which I will share in the group only. If you still have any inquiry, please feel free to text Mansi ma'am or me if you have my number. I will try to clear your doubts. Thank you. See you in the tomorrow's workshop.